Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, we learned about our family. So, what do you mean by our family? What is a family? Yes, family is a group of people. They are living together in a house and they are related to each other. Okay, and we learned so many types of families like big family and small family. They are known as nuclear family and joint family. And joint family may be big or small. If there is more than so many, means more parents and children living together, they are known as big joint family. And small joint family means maybe two or three set of parents may be there and their children. Okay, so who are the relatives who live in a family? Yes, there are so many relatives like father, mother, their children, then grandfather, grandmother, and uncle and cousins. Okay, so these are the family members and different types of family. So we all do together, means family members are doing different activities together. Yes, and we all have fun with our family members because yes, grandfather and grandmother, grandparents tell us so many stories. Sometimes they sing songs for us, and they also share so many childhood memories with us, their childhood memories, activities or plays at that time. And what about cooking? Yes, in family, if there are so many members, different types of food items may be prepared. Okay, so your mother, uncle, sorry, aunt, then grandmother, all these people together, they are making different types of food items. Okay, and some other occasions, special during special occasions like birthday celebration or some festivals like Onam or Christmas or Eid. Yes, so much of fun we have at that time, isn't it? Yes, today we are checking all that things. Shall we go? Yes. Yes, look here, children. That is the time of Christmas. Yes, all these family members are here. They are enjoying their Christmas celebrations. Yes, they are eating different types of food items, maybe cake or wine or chicken or something like that. And sometimes, yes, we may have some Christmas trees. Then all the family members come to our houses, and sometimes we also went to their houses. So it is a time of happiness and joy. Lot of fun we have as children. You people are having lot of fun and play, isn't it? Yes. Then what about other situations? Yes, Christmas gifts are also there. Yes, the grandparents or elder members of the family, they will bring different types of gift for you, isn't it? Yes. Yes, look here. It's the time of Onam, delicious festival. Yes, isn't it? Delicious sadhya is here. Different types of payasam and different types of curries are there, isn't it? Yes, we all are having the meal together in the afternoon. Yes, very good. So all these occasions are fun, isn't it? Yes, here also you can see. Yes, at the time of Eid also different types of food items are prepared. Our relatives are coming to our houses and enjoying this fun with us. Yes, you the children are enjoying more than the elders. I think so. Hmm? Are you playing and having fun with your relatives at that time? Yes, very good. You are playing with your relatives and friends and neighbors, then having different types of food items, and elder people bring you this gift and or dress or shoes or toys, something like that. Yes, so it is so fun during this occasion of different festivals. Okay, I think playing is the best activity you enjoy the most, isn't it? Yes, different types of plays are there. Yeah, sometimes your grandparents or uncle or aunt, sometimes your parents, they may also play with you, like chess or caroms, like that. They may also accompany you in the playing. Yes, it is also very funny time whenever your grandfather is taking you in on his backside. Yes, you are enjoying the most. Yes, not only for playing and saying or the story time, you also have to help them because they are very old and you are very young and energetic. That is why you people have to help them in some other activities, okay, to take their specs or walking stick or bring the medicine or water, something like that. You people have to help them. Are you doing? Are you helping your grandparents? Yes, not only grandparents, whoever the members in your family, the elder members, respect them. Okay, obey whatever they are telling, and if you can do some help, you should do that. Okay. Yes, sometimes you may also help your mother in the kitchen for this cooking and all. Are you girls? Not only girls, boys can also help in cooking. Okay, yes, that is very interesting thing. You first get the permission from your parents whether you can help them or not, then only you can go to help them. Otherwise you may get some, yes, bad impression from your parents. Okay, so leave that. So all these activities are done with joy and fun. So get together, family get togethers or festivals or birthdays, all these are, yes, time of fun and joy. You all people are enjoying all these things. So with this we are winding up the chapter. So in this lesson we have learned so many things about the family or family. Yes, there are different types of family and different relationships are there among the family members and all. Then what we are doing with the family members, all these things we learned. Okay. So listen children, this is the picture given in your textbook. So family, there are members of a family, they are related to each other. So many members are there, like father, mother, then their children, then grandparents may be there, uncles and aunts may be there, then their children called cousins are there. So all these members are related to each other. Then there are two types of families. What are they? Nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family means one set of parents and their children live together in a family. That is what is called nuclear family. Simply we can say it is a small family. Then what about joint family? Joint family is a big family. There are more than one set of parents. Means grandparents are there, then our parents are there, then our uncles and aunts may be there, then their children. So all these together form a joint family. So there are two types of joint family, big joint family and small joint family. Yes, here single parent family is also there. Sometimes one of your parents may be abroad working outside that place, means abroad or some other cities are far away from your house. So there may be only one parent, maybe mother or father. That is called a single parent family, mother or father with their children. Then yes, different activities we are doing together with the family members. Yes, they are sharing their sorrows and happiness with each other. Then they are having different types of festivals and get-togethers. Then all these have lots of fun and joy. Okay, all these for today's class. Please parents, make your child to read the textbook, help them to read the textbook thoroughly, then clear. If you have any doubt related to this, you can ask me frankly, please, and in the next class I will discuss the exercises given in the textbook and I will give the notes through the WhatsApp chat. Okay, so please do that. Please help them to read the lesson. Okay, thank you.